Of recently, there's not a single day because we come up with a newspaper every day. And the front page of all the newspapers carries at least one the news of an accident. Where by and large, if you see the reasons that due to regular driving, there is, I think, our friend DCP Pankaj Shisham will elaborate on those things. But the statistics which we have are quite alarming. And in India, to be precise, 485 accidents take place every day and people die. So 500 people die every day is not a good thing. And that is the reason why Solaris, Tani Volvo and all the road clubs came together for this particular mission that we should have a safe driving habit as our part of our life. When we talk of accidents, definitely we talk of road engineering. Now that is not the topic that we are going to discuss today, but we are definitely going to talk of two things. One is education and the other is enforcement. So not necessary that each and every time there has to be a traffic cop on the road to correct you and to penalize it. What we feel at Carnival Road is that there has to be a traffic cop in your mind also. You should correct yourself when you are at the signal because color is red, then you need to stop. These lessons are not only to get a 1 mark in your unit test or whatever exams they give you about the road discipline. It is more than the discipline. It is more than the life. It portrays what kind of person you are. You know, most of the accidents or most of the things that are going wrong in the society are because of the bad traffic rules that we keep on breaking. We violate the rules at the drop of the hat. And there's a road rage, 10% and higher. And a lot of bad things also happen. We have seen instances, we are reading news that offences like even killing each other have taken place because of bad driving. So the problem is really very serious and where the enforcement really plays a big role. Of course, we will speak on the enforcement part and what experiences the traffic police has day in and day out. But here at this particular program, I would like to again once again tell you that such initiatives are taken only to create a roadmap for a safety of each one of us. And that roadmap is our vision. And we are going to do this till we don't have, or perhaps we have an accident-free life. Since many of my holy presidents are present, I would like to request, sir, we can have a program. There are around 30 Rotary clubs in Kali. And I would request you that you give one junction to each Rotary club. We will parent that junction. We will take care of that junction. And we will so that your account is also decentralized, you also get a lot of relief. Because we know that the traffic police are almost working for 18 hours every day. Sometimes the conditions are really bad. So we as Rotarians and then Rotarians, you can also join hand. And as I see these children who have done the drawings, sir, I also feel that they are our ambitions of Central. So each one of us, even if you don't get a prize, you have become the ambassador for road safety. So you, apart from the exhibition, apart from doing the drawings, you can really participate and you can join hands with the Rotary clubs. Each Rotary clubs will, I think, take this to the governor of the Rotary clubs that we are going to adopt one junction each and we will take care of that particular junction. I think most of the Rotarians are agreeing. Most of the presidents present here will agree to this. Yes. So we thank you to the Rotary clubs also that we are there with you, sir. and we will do our target on much better test. So once again, congratulations and wish you all this.